Hello friends. So today we will discuss about constants in C. So what is a constant? So constant is a fixed value that cannot be modified by the program during the execution time. Suppose we will declare one variable. That value we cannot change. Okay, that is the constant. Suppose we have one variable int x that is equal to 10. We can just print that value printf percentage d. We can just print x. We will run the program. We are getting output right. So index equal to 10. So suppose we are changing this value to x equal to 50. Now we are just run this code. Now the value changed to 50. Okay. So we can change this value, right? So this is not constant. So constant means it is a fixed value that cannot be modified by the program during the execution time. So in this case, we can done with the const keyword, which makes a variable unchangeable and read-only. Suppose here we can use const that int x equal to 10. We just run this, so the value is 10. Now we just try to change this value x equal to 15. Just run this code. Now we are getting error. Okay, assignment of read-only variable x. So we cannot to change the value. So that is constant. Suppose we are not assign this value here, it will get some garbage value 32766. Okay, so declare a constant variable, it must be assigned with a value. So we need to assign one value with constant. Suppose we need to declare one pi value. Okay, so we can float pi is equal to 3.14. That value cannot change, right? Here also we can use pi. This is percentage of. We'll run this. The value is constant. So in that case, we can use the constant keyword. The value must be assigned with the value. Okay. And the another method is we can use hash define preprocessor directive. Okay. Suppose here we can use hash define by. Then we can give the value 3.14. Okay. Here no need of semicolon thing. Okay. By 3.14. Then we can just run this value is 3.14. Here also we try to again assign the value, then error will come. Just 4.5 something we are given. It will not work. Okay. So constant means it is a fixed value that cannot be modified by the program during the execution time. Okay. Okay, thank you.